Today we're making some green onion chive pancakes because yesterday we had our potluck and we got tons of leftover garlic chives and green onions. And I got a second camera coming up here. Gotta get the angles for you guys. So this is what I'm gonna use them for. One of our friends brought the green onion pancakes to the potluck. Her name's Emily. And they were really good, so I'm gonna try to recreate these. We found a recipe online. So I'll link this in the description just so you guys can follow along if it's too fast or it's not clear enough the way I do it. So we start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour in a mixing bowl with, well, actually, you also make a well in the middle, it says, and pour in 1/2 cup of hot water. So I just had this boiling on the stove on the side. And now you'll wait for 10 minutes and we'll cut right back to that soon. All right, bye. All right, we're back after 10 minutes and now it's time to add the water, the cold water, and the oil. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. It says to use avocado oil, but I don't have that. So this is what we're using. Now we mix, and when the dough has formed a ball, we let it rest for 5 minutes. Alright, it's rested for 5 minutes and now it's time to knead it till it's smooth. You guys will see a time lapse of this. While the dough is resting for 20 minutes, let's just make this quick sauce. It's just a tablespoon of soy sauce, tablespoon of rice vinegar, tablespoon of sesame oil. So we'll mix them all in this bowl and that's all set. And this is your dipping sauce for the green onion pancakes. Welcome back. It is done with the 20 minutes of resting. So now it's time to split it up into 4 even pieces and roll it out. And since I don't have a bench scraper or a dough cutter or a rolling pin, we're doing some improvising. I've got my knife and a wine bottle. This is the wine we used in the red wine braised beef short ribs. So let's take this out and split it up into 4 even pieces. And now we just roll it out into pancakes, brush some oil, add some green onion topping, roll it up into a little cylinder, and twist it like a Cinnabon. So I think we'll time lapse through that because this might take me longer than I want it to. See you guys later. Let's fry these guys up. Alright, now I know. Definitely need to wait for it to brown a little longer on that side. We'll flip it back afterwards. Alright, I'm gonna call this first one done. And we will get better and better on these last 3. just finished up the green onion pancakes. And I'd say that was a moderately successful first try. I would have liked to have more green onion in the middle because I can see it all got squished out to the outside, but I think it looks pretty good. So thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye.